name's Doug Durham. I'm CEO of Don't Panic Labs. With everybody working remotely, I thought it might be nice to share one of my favorite recipes that you can cook at home very quickly. This is very popular with a lot of our guests here in the morning. So what we have here, I'm going to be demonstrating my famous egg sandwich. And what you see in front of you is all the ingredients. I have a toasted English muffin. I have some cured meat and some ham here. Piece of cheese, some oil that I put in my little special egg pan here that I'll be cooking the egg in, and then honey, sriracha sauce, and then optionally some pepper and salt. So I've already toasted the English muffin, so that's ready to go, and the ham is ready to go. So the first thing I need to do is cook the egg. So I put a little bit of oil in there, and I like my eggs over easy, and so you want to be a little bit careful here, because if you make the egg yolk too runny, then you're going to have a messy sandwich. So I will let this cook a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to actually heat up the ham in our microwave. So I'm going to go out of the frame here a little bit. Give that about 10 seconds maybe, just to warm it up a little bit. The egg is going to take a couple of minutes to cook. So we'll put the egg up. We'll put the ham on here, and here, and here. Okay. And then I'll put the cheese there. That will melt there a little bit. And then just to prep this, so one of the keys here is to mix both the sweet and the spicy of this. I think that really makes it quite delicious. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sriracha on here. You know, depending on how much what your spice threshold is, and then I'll put maybe almost an equal amount of honey, so that salt and sweet paired together with the egg. Actually, I think I'm going to reverse this a little bit, put the cheese on the bottom here. There. Let's check on my egg now. I'm getting close. I'm going to flip it over one time. I love this little egg pan because it's perfect for cooking a single egg. Again, just to make sure that the yolk is not too runny here. All right, turn off the heat. Put that on there. Whoops. Put that on there. Flip my sandwich over, and now I've got a delicious egg sandwich. Messy.